Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.
Happy Monday. I seen you guys yesterday. We did a whole makeup tutorial, but today I'm going to show you this wig. You guys have been asking me to share a style that is short and looks really good. So today's wig comes from Myfirstwig. If you ever seen Myfirstwig, then you know their packaging has always been very, very consistent and looks very good. So it's the product inside the box that matters. So just wanted to put that out there. Sometimes things happen inside of our control when it comes to shipping, when it comes to things like that. But for the most part, every company that I've spoken with are working very, very hard to make sure you guys are getting what you need. Everybody's working, trust me, everybody's working for you guys. So let's get into today's wig. This wig is from Myfirstwig. It will be linked below in the description box. They give you a wig cap. As you know, they always give you the details on what your wig is. And this is what matters the most. Let's look at the wig itself. And I'm excited about today's style. This is a Yaki texture. And I don't know if is this too much for y'all? I don't know if that's too much of a sound for y'all. The presentation for the wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfectly pre-plucked. As you can see for yourself, out the box, this wig is ready to go. Already with the pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, and this is what the texture looks like. See, it's very smooth. There's not a lot of kinks going through it. I love how they made this Yaki texture look very natural. It's already pre-cut. You have a nice bob style cut, and this is shorter than the bobs that I've shared in a very long time. This is a 10-inch, so this is what the 10-inch looks like. The hair has no tangles in it. As you can see, I can run my fingers through it. This is 100% Malaysian human hair with a 1 to 2 year lifespan. And this is a 13x6 cap. You can see for yourself that you get lots of parting space, the drawstring, and you also get the built-in adjustable strap. So this is excellent for glueless wear. This is what it looks like just putting it on straight out the box. I can tell already that this is going to look super natural. As far as the fit around the ear, it's perfect from ear to ear. I'm not having a problem with it right now. As you can see, it fits on both sides. I have the wig on. What I'm going to do is pull it tight. Today I'm going to take my hairspray. I'm going to push this back. Now, of course, with this style, you are able to part it anywhere you want to on that lace. So with the 13x6, you can switch it to a side part. You can do like a deep side part. Maybe I should do a deep side part. That actually is look how deep that goes. Grab my wax stick. This is also from Myfirstwig. It's good for taming any flyaways. So you can just lay it down. That parting looks so good. I did just recently put up a video on how to glue down your wigs. I do have a video already on my YouTube channels. I have a playlist of customization videos. Just check my channel by clicking my name and it'll take you right on over there. And create some edges right here. Just open up this parting. Now the straight style is cute. Just adding some curls to the hair. And with this being a Yaki texture, very curious on if it's going to curl. And we're going to curl it. And I always curl at the highest setting. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking parts of the hair and spraying it with a little bit of holding spray first. And then taking my curler and just curling the strand of hair. Now, one thing I love about short styles, especially in the summertime, is that they're very comfortable, they're very convenient. So if you are not into longer hairstyles, then this one is definitely a great one to have. But everything I'm using, including this wig, will be linked below in the description box for you guys. The tools and products will be in the Amazon link, and then the link for the wig will be by itself down there. Okay, so as you can see, it does curl very well, because a lot of you always ask me about the Yaki textures and if they can curl properly. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these edges down, sideburn area. Spray my brush and then just smooth this down here. Take some more spray and just lay down this area here. So even just playing with it, you can see for yourself that it's turning into like beautiful waves. So pretty. I'm gonna take my spray and just lock this way. I like it. I can take also this. There we go. Bring that just like that. What do you guys think? Do you like the hair curled like this? Do you like adding little waves to it? Is it cute? I like that I was able to curl it. Alright, so this is the finished look. I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check below the video. I love how it turned out. It's very comfortable. The drawstring is very secure. And also, like I said, if you wanted to, because this is a 13x6, you have the option to actually glue it down around that hairline. But today I went completely glueless with this. Overall, this is the perfect summer bob if you want texture, if you want shortness, and if you just want comfort. So I will be sure to link it below. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I'll see you back in my next.